We have seen what this app is all about. In this video, I will give a quick walkthrough of different AI flows. So let's get started with the sign up. So I'm putting name of the patient, keeping the ID as authentic for forgot password purpose. 55, let's say male, put some password, and then I'll do sign up. Okay, so I have to use another email. So I'll put again some authentic email. So my account is created. It lands on this page where we have various quick actions of the different flows or different data entry points. This is the home page. So we'll first start with the adding the prescription. So let's say this is the first time when a patient has come and first visit that they are doing. Okay. So I'll walk you through the data set that I have. So let's say this is uh, visit 1 October. I am putting the doctor's name as Dr. Rajesh. Prescription date, I'll see the 5th. So this is October 5th. And this is optional, so but just for the purpose of demo, I will add the hospital and also this is heart care, and then I'll choose the file, go to test data. I'm doing the October one, so then I will do add prescription. Now the AI has started processing the prescription. So once this is done, it will show the different data that was there in the prescription along with the medication prescribed. So if you see, it has done the processing. So if you come here, it will show what was the diagnosis, what is the general instruction, what is the prescribed medicine. Okay. So now this is the first flow. So once this is done, let's say doctor has asked to upload some report, or sorry, do some blood test. So we'll go and upload the lab reports. So here is the lab report of October. So test was done on 1st of October. So we'll go and update the reports. So this is a pathology report. Basically, report name is, I'll say October report. Okay. Report type is pathology. Pathology. Report date, I will put it as 1st of October. Then I'll choose file and update this and then upload report. So basically what it will do, it will read the PDF and then it will create the structured JSON. The reason why the JSON is created here, so that every time AI flow doesn't have to read the PDF. This is just fun time process, both for prescription and for reports, where you can go and see that. So you have the AI processor, which will then see the report. So you can come here now and see what were the reports, what was normal, what was high, and everything. Okay, so this is one report for, let's say, before the second visit, you are uploading the second report. So if you see the second report, this is my November report. This is again for pathology report. So we'll come here, we'll again say blood test. This is blood test, and this is in the month of November. So I will put the date as November, which is like 10th of November. So I'll put it as 10th of November. I'll choose the file. Now I'll select the November one. I'll do the upload report. So it will now go and upload the report. So this is the second flow where you do the data entry for the reports uploaded. So now you have the uploaded report for November. You can see everything is now structured, saved into the database and shown in this structure. Now what you can do, you can come here, you can go to lab trends report and you can see it will show you the trend of each of the parameters. And if I select on hemoglobin, it shows that there is a decline in the hemoglobin and everything. Now what you can do, you can come here, current analysis. There is no logs for the AI trend analysis. So you have to have some logs for AI to do the correlation on what has happened with the report. So between October and November, I will again go and upload the. Let's say you have to visit the doctor, right? Then you know that I have taken the prescribed medicine, and then this is the report one, this is the report two. Based on that, generate the summary that you need to visit the doctor to. So you can come here, you can see that okay, what is the summary uh, that is getting generated for this. So it will show you what are the positive trends, what are the trends to watch, and then what are the questions that you have to ask. And you can see it will also show you the report parameters, which is key for discussing the doctor. You can see the resources that okay, these are the two blood test report which we have uploaded based on which this summary was created. So this is the another one. This is the another AI flow, which is the key feature where you are getting informed before visiting the doctor. So it reduces the stress. You don't have to go through the documentation again and again, and you can see the doctor visit summary. Once generated, you can come to the doctor summaries and you can see here. So this is the proper view of the doctor summary. You can download it as a PDF, and you can then see this in the PDF also, which can then you can put it, take a printout and put it in your folder. Here also you can show the view. So that is one way to see the report. What you can do is, another thing is, you can come to the Kavi Assist, which is your chat. Here also you can come and say generate doctor summary, and it can generate the summary. The intent is still there. You can show little difference into the doctor summary, but we can plan to have the same summary every time if it's the same report. But this time, if you can see, there would be slight difference in the question and this thing, but this is more concise. Okay, it will not show you the reports parameter and everything, but just to for the conversation sake, you can come here and quickly have a chat about it, and you can download as a PDF from here also. Right, you can copy it also, and you can put it in your whatever mode of communication that you're having with the doctor. So these are the specific questions that it will generate based on the reports that you have uploaded and it is compared with. So this is for the doctor analysis summary. You can also come here and you can select doctor summary generator. It will automatically generate. You can also come and you can put symptom analyst. So you come here on a given day and you can see I am having craving for sweets for last 3 days. Now it is already into symptom analysis mode. So once you do this, it will generate the symptom questions, that what are the symptoms that you are having, and then what question that you should ask. Please be mindful that this is not an app, this is not a solution which will give you the diagnosis or it will give you the advice. No, it will only tell you that what has had, that sudden change in the craving into the blood sugar level, hormonal changes. Compare the symptoms with those recent blood tests and reports. Self doctor determines the clinical clause. Then it will generate the relevant question for you that you can again copy, share, or you can from here get your memory refreshed on what has happened and is it related to whatever reports that you have uploaded, whatever medicine that you have taken, and whatever diets that you have logged. So this is another flow, okay, where you can do that. Next is you can also talk to your reports. So you can select any reports and then you can ask question about it. Okay. So here you can ask any question about it and it will give you the answer about the reports. Okay. Uh, Next, which I wanted to show is the various logs that you can do. You can do the vital logs. You can come here. You can record a new vital. This is the manual vital logging where you have to manually type it. You can also do a voice log. You can do the start recording and you can do it. For example, if I do this, I can say, uh, my BP is 120 by 80, my oxygen is 98, and my sugar level is 120 fasting. So it will come here and it will update everything here. You can analyze the script and it will also populate this and you can save it. We'll not save it now. I'll do the bulk upload of the data to show the other flows. Okay. Here you can come and see the trends of each of the vitals that you have uploaded. Similarly, for the meals, there you have manual mode and then again you have the voice mode. The major drawback which I have seen for most of the health app that you have to go and manually add it. Here, what you can do is you can directly talk to it and it will save the data into the database, which will then be used for the correlation for different AI flows. This is for meals. Similarly, for medicines, and then lab reports and prescription we have already seen. This is the medical details page where you can come. This is and edit it. This is important for AI to understand and correlate with your current information that it is having. You can continue to update this so that it can understand historically what has changed. So trend analysis we have talked. In the next, I will talk about AI powered health trend analysis and reports Q&A. Thank you.